So, for whatever reason, Crimson decided to send me a spot prize. So, I saw it on Instagram. But, still I figured we'd, unbox it together so we can all enjoy. Oh, for God's sake. Maybe this knife isn't the best. So, awesome. Water resistant guitar finish. Melamine. Nice. Water-based guitar finishing oil. Modern finish. Wipe-on guitar finishing lacquer. High build guitar finishing oil. Nice. And penetrating guitar finishing oil. Awesome. And what have we got here? Stunning Stains black. And Stunning Stains denim blue. Huh. I've been wanting to try this stuff. It's not bad. It's a little like Coors Light. Yeah, we'll save that stuff for lunch. Well, awesome. Thanks to everybody at Crimson. This was a pleasant surprise I did not expect. So, I'm going to have to do a little bit of research to see which one I want to use here and there and everywhere. Absolutely awesome. I really appreciate it, guys. This could use a little more sugar, I think, but it's good. I like it. So, I've had a few ideas since we finished up ggbo on what we're doing next. I had said when Ty sent me the quilted maple, but that was going to be the next project. However, I kind of want to do a little more refining on the lap dancer idea, and then when I've got a absolute rock solid plan, then we can put that awesome maple to use. Get a nice piece of wood like that, and I'm absolutely terrified to screw it up. So we've got a couple things I've got in mind. I've been trying, even before I saw what Isaac did, which was awesome. I've been trying to think of a way to lower the surface area on the back of the neck. Thought about doing like a what you call it, pie crust kind of pattern. That would be extremely difficult and take a lot of time. I had also run across the fact that you can take Wenge and just give it a little bit of bleach and make it Wenge. So, I think at some point we're probably going to have to do something with that. And we still got some leftovers from Kai's Light. So, I mean, that's not a lot, but we could book match that and make a top out of. A couple other ideas I have had. I want to do a lap dancer with the curve, but I'm going to have to build new curve templates for that. And that's going to take a little time and planning. And I've also been a little inspired by Unquindor's approach to inlaying the top I think that could be freaking awesome. So I'm kind of halfway thinking when it comes to the quilted maple, going at it that way, lap dancer with inlaid top. However, an inlaid curved top could be awesome as well. And last weekend put me together, I book matched some leopard wood and some leftover ash, just for some ideas on what to play with there. But anyway, that's kind of what I got in mind at the moment. So I'd gone and gotten me $10 worth of pine 2x3s, just so I could put a quick dumpy body together, so I could do a little bit of playing with some carving and stuff. I took the lap dancer and I just left off the Strandberg cut. I don't know that I'm really going to use it that much. This one is very important to me though. So, but just putting that back the way it was on the original template, I don't really like it. It just seems a little too heavy down there. I think that needs to slim up a little. But that was the whole purpose of this. It's a test. Let me play around with some ideas and see what I think. And also, I'll have something that I can actually test doing a neck pocket on, because to date I have always done neck throughs. I have never done a neck pocket, and I'm slightly concerned. I'm pretty sure we can do it justice, but I've never done it, and so anyway. Meanwhile, at the moment, I have this gigantic big fat piece of maple, which has some cracks in it that I'm going to have to, I guess, fill with resin. I got a couple fretboard possibilities between the Cocobolo and the Bird's Eye, and a nice big fat chunk of walnut that could possibly get 3 neck blinks out of. Probably not, but at least 2. And a little bit of leftover walnut that we can work with as well. So, I don't have a solid plan right now. I got a bunch of disjointed ideas floating around. So anyway, that's the state of the shop at the moment. First of all, I just wanted to, get this opened and give a big thanks to whoever at Crimson decided I should get a spot prize. And give you a little idea what, what ideas I don't quite have. Also, if you haven't pieced it together just yet, I didn't finish cutting all the video before finale was, needed. So I stopped what I was doing, chopped the finales together, and got those out there. So with both builds, we still have a fair chunk of footage that's waiting to be edited and put out in the normal format. One of those has gone out. That's going to keep going. So it may look a little confusing. The finales happen, and then I'm putting out stuff on the same builds. But we got to finish our stuff. So there'll be a few more videos on both builds for that. Which it'll give me some time to piece together what the hell we're going to do next. Like I said, I've got several little ideas and experiments that I want to play with. I don't think any of those are quite ready for a full build yet, but I want to play with some things and see what we can incorporate into the next one. Because, just like always, I'm planning on doing some wackiness that I've never done before, and I want to make sure I'm comfortable with it before I commit some really, really awesome lumber to it. Speaking of, if you don't remember or didn't see, since Ty at Shock the Fox sent me this awesome quilt, that's what I want to work with next, but I want a rock solid, super awesome plan for it before we use it. whatever this goes on to, I want it to be perfect and no screw up. Yeah. Anyway, that's the state of the shop at the moment, post ggbo 21. Anyway, more to come. Crimson guitar, stunning stains. Denim blue, fantastic.